Andrew E. Ngayon, ano ba ang atmosphere? Ang atmosphere is a blanket of gases that revolves in the earth. Ngayon, Estrella, ano ba ang troposphere?
Troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth, and usually most clouds appear in it because 99% of water vapor appears on there. It is considered the Earth's water inner circle. Yeah.
Nearly all weather phenomena such as snow, rain, clouds, currents, and extinct. Did you know that due to global warming, the top of the troposphere is rising slowly?
Convection protects the natural ventilation system by constantly circulating air liquids and gases. This keeps the oxygen distributed while also limiting pollutants away from the atmosphere.
A layer thicker than the equator, the much thicker than the pole.
Troposphere derived from the Greek tropos, meaning turning or mixing, as this layer constantly mixes gases and produces weather phenomena.
The stratosphere is far more dry than the troposphere, though it's barely having any water vapor content, while the troposphere takes 99% of the water vapor.
Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere, since there's only 21% of oxygen, 0.93% of argon, and carbon dioxide 0.04%, while there's an amount of 78% of nitrogen in the atmosphere.
Troposphere goes up from 12 to 18 kilometers and is as cold as 15 to negative 56.5 degrees Celsius.
Actually, this is just a random fun fact that is not related, but did you know that the sky should be violet, but the reason we see blue instead of purple is that the human eye is more sensitive to blue light than violet.
Sa madaling salita, ang troposphere ay pinakamahalagang atmosphere sa ating mundo. Dahil ang troposphere ay ang nagdi-distribute ng ating mga oxygen na ating hinihinga sa bawat araw ng ating buhay. So ito lang ang aming makakakita sa inyo tungkol sa troposphere, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa aming video ngayon. Andrew E. out.